thought.
Did you? Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm right here. Anybody else? You have something? Yeah.
네.
I say thank you for giving me an opportunity and pushing me to be better. Your patience.
I also want to say thanks, Chris, for taking like more time in the class. Like, I know, like, I feel like I asked too many questions.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Chris, I'm
Like,
sorry.
I asked you questions. Honestly, you're so patient, and also I love your sound effects. I think your sound effects are
But yeah, Chris, no, there were times where I would ask you maybe 4 or 5 questions in maybe an hour, and then I would go back to my desk and I would see you working, and then I would be like, shit, I have another question.
I could always
But I know.
it's not going to be ready to you walk in and go, can I ask you a question? Every time you walk in, can I ask you a question?
I had to because I knew I was getting on your nerves. I was like, I can't keep
No,
doing
not
this.
at all. Not at all.
I gotta let Chris breathe.
Really cool story. So, were you in class with Miguel? Yeah, Miguel.
I don't visit JMP now.
No, who was that?
Because sometimes the only way you can advance in salary is to change jobs. Right? So hit certain, shops may have sort of a ceiling for certain job types, right? And you're not going to move up, you're not going to get more responsibility because there's all these other people that are working in that shop or above you, right? So the only way you can get a bump in salary is to move to a different shop. We don't want to undercut the relationship that we have with the employer, but we can also backfill the position, right? If we know that you're looking for something else, we can help you to explore that. It's not like we're, actively, we can support you doing that if you're looking out there on your own. And then we know that if you leave, there's a position there that we can fill with the rookie, right?
Well, even if you're in a shop and you hear that the shop is hiring, please just let us know right away, because I can just say, hey, how's Roland doing? I hear he's doing well. Oh, let me know if you guys are hiring. So just please just let us know if the shop is hiring or if someone left or if you're in a busy season, anything like that. Just give us a heads up. It's really helpful.
Or if you have friends or family that you think could benefit by the training program, send them our way too.
Yep.
You're often our best referrals, both for jobs and for recruitment.
Our next cycle is January 7th. So this Wednesday will be closed because it's after the New Year. After the holiday. But the first Wednesday of the month of January, we'll do an info session. That will be the last info session you can do to join that January class. So if anyone has any applicants who's interested, they can let us know. Or just send me a text.
Do you guys have a Facebook page?
We do.